What's up, my loves? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, hi, this is Oma. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be reacting to the video I saw about Norway freezing. Like they said, the snow there, oh my goodness, and the degree. Guys, I'm just so eager to actually see what's happening, because even right here in my country, it's also cold. So talk less of Norway, guys. Let's just watch this video and react to it, okay? And we'll come back for my own opinion, because I just believe this is going to be a sad video. But anyways, guys, let's just watch. Shout out to Evie. What? Guys, the houses are covered with snow.
One massive snowstorm hit southern Norway, most municipalities along the coast, including Kristiansand, Lillesand, Tvedestrand, Riser and Arendal, had decided to keep schools closed at least through Wednesday because of the weather conditions.
Are you guys okay? This is sad. Oh my goodness, it got to this.
The Red Cross made extra ambulances available in case of emergencies, and more than a dozen snowmobiles were put into service to transport medical teams if necessary. The snow had kept falling through the night and Tuesday, forcing shutdown of local train lines, including Arendalsbanen, portions of Solensbanen and Vestfoldbanen farther north.
Hope you guys are okay.
State meteorologists had issued warnings of heavy snow accompanied by strong winds, and the storms set in as expected on New Year's Eve. By New Year's Day, transport of all types was disrupted, and thousands of residents in the southwestern county of Agder lost their electricity.
They even lost electricity, so how do they warm themselves? How do they even get wood? Oh, this is so bad.
The snow outside homes in Grimstad, better known as a popular summer holiday destination, was well above knee level, while downtown
Oh my god, guys, this is so sad, guys. Even some parts actually lost their electricity. So how do you warm yourselves? You know, when there is light, inside gets a little bit hot, right? And maybe you warm yourself with firewood. So how do they get firewood if everywhere is cold? And I believe the woods will be wet. Like, this is not a good thing, guys. This is not just, I just pray they are prepared for this before this actually happened, because this is really sad. This is sad.
Kristiansand appeared all but inundated. Driving was otherwise discouraged all over southern Norway, with local mayors urging people to just stay home.
I can't even go to work.
Reduced service continued on important crosstown bus lines, but even the tram from downtown, up to the hills at Frognerseteren, a popular skiing destination, had to shut down early Monday afternoon. The weather was worse along the coast than in the mountains, where many roads stayed open. Motorists had to wait in, long lines to join, escorted convoys.
Bak anne, son durum bu işte, bak. Gelin. Norveç'e gelmeyin, bak. Bak. Her taraf kar. Bak, 1 metre kar var.
State meteorologists extended their warnings for heavy snow and difficult transport conditions through Wednesday, when temperatures were due to plummet in line with a new cold front moving in. Oslo residents are among those warned of frigid temperatures well into next week.
Ned hit, og så kan han se selv, og vi har prøvd å ta oss inn derfra og derfra. Nå skal jeg berge den ungen min her ut.
Oh my god, guys. This is too much.
Thick layers of 70 centimeters of snow shrouded southern Norway, specifically in Arendal, in just one day. According to the weather forecast, there would be an additional 40 centimeter of snowfall. Due to heavy snow, local authorities shut down schools and kindergartens for safety.
Like, this is not funny. Seriously. What?
The large volume of snowfall paralyzed mail delivery and interrupted garbage collection services. Residents were recommended to instead work remotely because of the hazardous weather conditions. The severity of the situation along the coast exceeded those in the mountains. Fortunately, roads managed to remain operational.
That's a good one.
I จะเดินไปเอาประตูจดหมายเนาะทุกคนปีนี้หิมะลงเยอะๆทุกคน
The last time we had minus 20 at Blinden in Oslo was in 2010. So if we get such a low temperature, it has been 14 years since the last time it was this cold, said Martin Granerod, meteorologist at the Norwegian Meteorological Institute to NRK.
So like what went wrong?
Rain fell in Sorlandet. The coast was exposed to winds and large amounts of snow. The Home Guard, the Red Cross and the Civil Defense helped municipalities to maintain life and health, and ploughing crews worked tirelessly to keep the roads safe. On Thursday, the rain and winds calmed down to a large extent, and snow removal work was in full swing.
Guys, this is really sad, I must say. This is sad. Like, everywhere is so cold and so freezing. Like, how do you guys... hope you guys are good, and I hope you guys are actually coping, because this is really a bad one. Like, the reporter actually even said that it's even coming down with 47 degrees. Like, oh my goodness, guys. Norwegians, I just hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are handling this in the best way you can. And yes, guys, this is really sad, and I hope you guys I hope this gets better. So guys, if it's your first time here, please click the subscribe button, like, comment and share, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye my loves.